Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel one more time. Hope you are all doing good and well. Okay, so let's start with a new topic today is Python string. Okay, or you can say string in Python. Let's take a new page or just erasing the thing over here. Okay. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with our topic today, that is string in Python. Okay, so what is string in Python? In my previous videos, you have seen that in the previous sessions, you have seen that I have already discussed about for loop, while loop, and Python operators, data types, as well as the different kind of operators, that is arithmetic operator or logical operator. This kind of things we have already discussed in the previous sessions. If you not seen the sessions, please go and check in the playlist. You will find all the sessions over there. Okay, now let's see what is string in Python. Okay, see, a b, within a single quote, if I write a b or a b c, this will denote a character, char, char. The data type will be char or character. And if I write a combination of characters, it will denote a string, str. It is called string. Okay, so string in Python will declared as a double quotation or as a with the single quotes. Okay, and if I write any integer number as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within a quotation, that is also considered as a string. Okay, so if I try to find the type of this, I will show you in the practical also. Sorry, it will be first bracket or parenthesis. Type of st, this will give you class str, right? This will give you class str. Now in string also we are having indexing as well as list and tuple. Okay, if you have already attended the sessions of list and tuple, then it's okay. Otherwise, just go and check the videos that is already uploaded in the playlist. Okay, you can find it there. So in list and tuple, we have seen the in the list, if I write the characters like 1, or if I write it like an integer number, so it will be like this. The elements will be like this in a list. And with the same element, if I want to make a tuple, then it will be 1, 2, 3, then A and B. Okay, so what is the difference between list and tuple? One is mutable, another one is immutable. Which one is mutable, friends? Which one is mutable? This list is mutable. That means we can change element in the place. In the same memory location, we can update it. And the tuple is immutable. Okay, that means we cannot change in place. The values cannot be changed in place. That means once it has been declared, it cannot be changed. The value in the same memory location, that is called immutable. Okay, the property of a tuple is having immutability on it. Now the thing is that In the string also we are having the same property called immutability. Okay, so for tuple and string both the mutable the immutable property is present. Okay, and whenever I am writing this index number, you can see the index number will start from 0 and it will go on like a list or like a tuple. Okay, so here every character in the string having a separate index number, and we are having two kind of index: forward index, backward index. Okay, what is backward index? Backward index will starting from -1. Okay, now one very big mistake done by the student, most of the students done this mistake actually. What is the mistake? Students do think that if forward index is starting from 0, then why not backward index will start from 0? Now see guys, if it is S1 and I am writing the string over here, okay, or it is ST, say it is ST. Okay, so if I write ST0, so if the first element is having index 0 and the last element is also having the index 0, so how do Python will categorize a thing? That how do Python will understand that which element it has to be give? Okay, that's why the two elements indexing will starting, one is starting from 0, another one is starting from -1, -2, then gradually it will continue like -3, -4, -5, -6. So as it will not crash the thing, that's why it will crash actually if the same thing will happen means if the last element and the first element is having the same index, this st0 will can have two value. It can be 1 or it can be c for the same string, right? So it will not happen in the string or in case of list or in case of tuple also. So that's why Python has decided the rule that forward index will start from 0, but the backward index will starting from -1, not from 0, right? So it will looks like this. So if I write st -1, it will give you the last element of the string. Okay, it will give you sorry, not minus c, I am sorry, it will give you c. Okay, because the last element of the string st is c. So first the syntax will like looks like this. First we have to give the name of the string, then we have to give the index number of the string. Okay, whatever index number we will give, the character will be come. Okay, that particular character will appear, right? So I hope this much is clear, and this is how we will declare a string. This is how we will categorize a string with the index, with its index number. Okay, now coming to the list functions. Let's take a new page. Coming to the string functions. First string function, suppose st equals to a b c d e f 1 2 3. This is my string. Okay, and one another string I am having s1 equals to Sudeshna. Okay, another one s3 equals to Python coding. Okay, now see here, three different kind of strings I have taken. Now if I find the length of the string, what I have to do is length, that means length means how many characters present inside the string. Okay, print length of s3. So what will given by this particular print statement and this particular print statement? Comment me below. Okay, comment me below what will be the answer of these two print statements. See, very simple. I will not say the answer, but I will explain it. How many characters are present inside the string exactly? That is the number of, that is the count of the length of the string. Okay. How many characters are present? You have to count that. For the first one, it is 6, 7, 8, 9. So for the first one, 9 characters. And for the second one, always remember the space is also count as a character. So I will take the space as a character. So you have to count the space as well. Okay. So whenever I am counting the length of the string, I have to count all the characters. Okay. So let's say what is the first answer. First print statement will give you the 9, that is the length is 9. Okay. And the second print statement, what it will give you, comment me below. I will tell you the answer in the description section. Okay. So this much, I hope this much is clear to all of you, that what is the len function will do with the string function. Okay. In the string function, len is a very common one that we use for our length, finding the length of the string. Okay. Next is two operators we are having, that is plus and multiplication sign we can use along with string. So this will help you to do the concatenation, and this will help you to do the replication, concatenation and replication, right? Now what is concatenation? Concatenation will concatenate two string. Like if I write print s1 plus s3, that means it will print what is in s1, Sudeshna, and what is in s2. It will not give any space actually. It will print right after the string 1. Already a space is given here. Okay. So this will your final answer for this concatenation. Okay. Now, what is the replication will do? Replication will replicate a string. If I write s1 multiply 2, that means s1 will repeat for 2 times. S1 will repeat for 2 times. That is Sudeshna, Sudeshna. Okay. So it will replicate the thing 2 times. Whatever be the string where we are writing for the replication, that will replicate the number I have given over here. So if I give here 3, then 3 times it will print the same thing, like replicating the same thing. Okay. Now if I write S3, if I write S3, S3 into 3, then it will print Python coding, Python coding, Python coding for 3 times. So this will also your homework, or this will also your task to tell me what will be the answer of this. Okay. So this way we can do our string operation. This is very basic of the string operations I have shown you here. This way we can manipulate the string. Okay. Along with the operators, there are two operators are used in this along with the string. Okay. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we will meet again in the next session. Till then, keep studying, keep growing. Thank you.